Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you regarding of reducer, how to make reducer in cable tray and ducting. So normally we make used to reduce, example we use cable tray like CT and let's do one cable tray. Then we will reduce this one to 200. So when you throw it, the reducer will be in the center. So normally what we do, we try go to okay, let's make 5. You can see this. Let's do it again. CT. Okay, let's make this one 900. Okay. I will escape. Now I want to draw another cable tray like 600. So let's go CT 600. So when you go, it will come the center. Okay. The reducer will be center. So there's a, when you draw this one, when you select this one, there is a point justification. So here you can make left or right. So if you go left, point will be go to left. If you go right, the point will go to right. So let's make left first, then right click and draw table tray. So I need 600. So when I draw, it will become in the left side, offset, reducer. So mostly electrical we used to do like this. Okay, I hope you understand. So the reducers will be like this, not by center. So if you want right, let's delete this one. So you go here, right, and right click, draw cable tray. So I need 600, 600, like this. So it's very interesting. So let's say like this. We have drawn one cable tray of few meter or few something. I want to reduce the cable tray. So I want here, let's slice and sell up to here 900, after that 600. So no worries. So if you draw in the center, let's ignore the fittings. You make center, you already drawn center, just take this piece, the rest of the piece, make left or right, yeah, and just change the size, 600 or something, it will come. So this is very interesting thing. Normally when you draw, sometimes it's like, it goes something like this, little up, like track up, you will see this horizontal justification. The same way duct DT. So if I go here, it's not visible. Go BB, ducting, yes, ducts, duct fittings. Okay, so this one is a big duct. Let's say 925. So here also you have same concept. So I hope you understand, and if you not understand, try to watch again the video. And if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can start.